Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Well, the camera just shut down. It ran out of memory, so we're starting this again. It's believe it or not, it's actually probably about a week after I did the first one, so the first part of the show. So anyways, we're going to get back to this. Right now we have this little Star Wars box. It's a little block that apparently you close up like this, and there it is. It's a, get my glasses back on here. It is not labeled, just says Star Wars, but you open it like this, apparently, and, oh, maybe you push that. Oh, that's what it is. And then it flips down. It's the actual Death Star, and Luke is right here, and Darth Vader's here, and he's trying to shoot. And the cannons, the ion cannons, are all pew 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 as he's going down the tunnel there. So that's pretty cool. So it folds up into a little block like that, and away it goes. Now we also have in this bag another one. This is looks like Luke on his little. Well, looks like C-3PO is there. I don't see R2-D2. But the sand people are here, and the little elephanty thing, and it goes just like this. And again, there's whoops, there is a Star Wars cube that you push the button, and away it goes, just like that. Okay, so we've got those. Apparently have a pair of pliers that have magically appeared, and a secret gadget that you're not supposed to see. I'm going to put it way over here, and go back and study the photos. You can see what it is. It's nothing big deal. So those are going to go right there. We got that one and that one there. So we have little Star Wars dioramas. And then apparently there is something, oh, they're called box busters. Box busters. And some, is it a game? Let's see here. It's some sort of, I'm sure someone will tell me. It's called the Tusken Raider Attack. And it is a little game. I guess there's two little games. Game instructions here. And there are a couple of die and some tokens and all that good stuff. These look like little amoebas or something. But that's what's in there. And then the other thing was this little pouch. I don't know what the pouch is for, but it's a pouch. And did I mention a rubber chicken? So there it is. We've got all sorts of little gadgety things in this box, or bag, excuse me. And I think that was fun. The bag, again, was $3.99, just like that. And away we go. So, hey, thank you very much for coming along on this journey. Thank you for being here, and if you've been here before, of course, thank you for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for updates. And this is the DIY Magician again with a grab bag special. All right, thank you again. Bye-bye now. Beep, 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 beep. Brrr, beep. Bye.